Session 2, my mic on land issue. So, the sanction thing has, of course, a lot of loopholes that could be used. For example, discrimination, bias, where mixed economy, the rights of a citizen, yada yada yada. So let's define what commercial farming is. And as commercial farming is defined, then define what a successful commercial farm is, and then define how much room or how square kilometers and so forth is actually needed for successful commercial farming. Right, just have estimates, and with these estimates then you can measure up which farms are successful commercial farms, and which farms are not successful commercial farms, which farms are utilized as commercial farms, and which farms are utilized just as property. And when this is done, then the commercial farm will automatically fall under the communal farm classification due to not meeting the standards. So you set a standard that has to be reached, and if this standard is not reached, then government intervention comes in, right? So the farmer would what? The farmer could declare it communal farm, or the farmer could sell. It's the farmer's decision. And it would also address the problem that we have about a lot of black farmers who just happen to have the money, who buy farms but are not successful farmers. They would also be scrutinized with this. There would be no bias to it. So it wouldn't discriminate, it wouldn't be based on historical generational bias, although it will address things, it will self correct, right? It will self correct, and you will have the mediocre farmers who will lose out because they're not successful farmers, right? I mean, if you're not a farmer, then you shouldn't be farming. If you cannot just have all that land as your property. And it would also address the absent um, landowners who are foreigners, would also be put into this. Are they active commercial farmers? So when you set the standards for what is what, and you set the standards for what, and you also set the duration, of course, because as we know, we can't predict the weather, and with global warming, the weather is changing, right? So the estimated times will also be set. The estimated times will also be set, and with that, you would have solved part of the land issue. Like I said, this is session 2. So, that's session 2 on the land um, crisis that we have right now, which is predominantly beyond the red line. So, I'll check out Twitter. Yeah, I'll go check out Twitter and Facebook and stuff, and see what I can, bother my brain with, because I feel I'm in the mood right now today. Salute.